1, 2, 3.
Are you always missing your jumping shots? Do you just think it's some kind of like magic that somebody has that they always get the jumping shot and you never get it? Or maybe the person that's jumping is just getting tired of you asking them to do it for the 50th time? Oh, really close that time. Just one more jump, please. Well, I'm here to tell you there's actually a secret method using your iPhone to get the perfect jumping shot every single time. Hi, I'm Maggie Kirkland, and this is my wife, Lacey Kirkland, and today we're going to show you the secret to getting a perfect jumping shot every single time using your iPhone. I'm going to be using my iPhone 11 Pro in this tutorial, but you can use older versions as well, as long as they have the burst mode setting. What you need to get the perfect jumping shot every single time is you need a really good jumper, somebody that can jump really high and look really awesome doing it. You also need a big open space, somewhere where you can see the whole person's jump up in the air without anything distracting in the background. That's really going to maximize how awesome the jump looks. You also need to make sure that there's nothing on the ground in between you and the jumper, because you have to get really low with your camera so that their jump looks extra high and extra awesome. Step 1, in order to maximize how high the jump looks, get really low to the ground. Step 2 is to use the burst mode on your iPhone when you're taking the photo. Burst mode is a way to take a bunch of photos really fast. On iPhone X and older versions, you simply tap the shutter button and hold it to engage burst mode. On the iPhone 11 Pro, you have to tap the shutter and, without releasing, quickly swipe to the left to engage burst mode. To see the action photos, you're going to go to your photo library on your phone and scroll to the bottom where you can select burst photos. Tap on the photo you want to view by clicking the select, then scroll to the right and left to view all the photos you just captured using burst mode. Tap anywhere on the photo or the photos that you want to keep and then press done in the upper right corner, and this is going to allow you to save the photos as individual frames in your camera roll. You'll see they're no longer in the burst section of your camera, but you can now see them in your recents album. Now you can capture the perfect jump every single time. Isn't that so awesome? If you love this tutorial, please follow me on Instagram at Maggie Kirkland Photo or on YouTube at Photography Hacker. You can also find more free lessons and courses on maggiekirkland.com. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Oh. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Ow! Ow!